Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Ford Ranger. This one is a 2.3 engine liter. So right now I'm doing the oil change service for this one. Let me show you. Oil's not so clean. For the drain bolt, this is a 15 millimeter. I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, that's dirty. Now everything is completely drained out. Finger tighten it with finger first. So this is tight, and then you just want to snug it a little bit. There you go. And that's it. And then wipe the spot right here. Now for the filter is located on the left side of the engine. So for this one, the customer, he asked me to do him a favor to take out this little cover right here to when you take out the filter, the oil just drop straight down instead of dropping it down to the little holder right here. It makes a mess and it's kind of hard for him to clean. So he's asking me a favor to remove it. So this is a 10 millimeter. There you go, 10 millimeter. And then remove the cover right here. And after you remove the cover, it's a lot better for it to drip straight down. So there you go. Now you can see when I take out the filter, it's gonna drop straight down instead of dropping it to the little holder right here. It makes a mess for him to clean it. It's kind of hard. After you remove that little black holder for the oil, it's a lot better for you to put in the filter from the bottom and then break it loose. But before you have the cover, you can't put the filter in. You're gonna have to use the claw right here. I use the claw to go from this side of the end. So you take out all the clips right here, and then you lift up the cover, and then you go in here with the claw, with the extension, and then you break the oil filter loose. But if you take out that little black cover, you can break the oil loose like this, very easy, and you don't really make big mess. Now it's gonna, so before with the holder, it's so tight, it's hard for you to get to the filter. But if you remove that, save you a lot of time. Just drop straight down, and then all you have to do is just clean the housing a bit right here. That's it. Now for my new filter, I go from the outer frame to put in the filter, and then remember to oil the O-ring and just tighten it down. Hand tighten, not too crazy. That's it. There you go. And then wipe the spot, and then it drops a bit down to the frame, but it's easy to clean. Now for the Ford Ranger, this one takes 530. Now I'm putting in 530 full synthetic. This one 2.3, it takes exactly 6 quarts. So I'm gonna put in 6 quarts. I put in 6 quarts already. I'm gonna check it. Right there, you can see it's right on the full mark. Right there, you can see, perfect. So right now I'm gonna reset the oil. I'm gonna key on, and then I'm gonna toggle through the menu using this all the button on the side right here. And then you're gonna go down to go back, go down to setting, go to vehicle, go to oil. There you go. You can see it says 69 right there. So press it, press and hold OK to reset. There you go. You can let go 100% now. That's good. Turn off the car, turn it back on. There you go. So that is it, guys. So just a oil change and oil reset for the Ford Ranger. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm out. Peace.